Hey there, welcome to CFMOTO Side Rider. Today we're going to do a CFMOTO ZForce seat adjustment. You know, I just picked this CFMOTO ZForce up and my knee was hitting underneath the steering wheel. I just felt cramped in there, so I knew I had to make a seat adjustment. I did my seat. Now I'm going to do my wife's seat. I knew how to do the seat adjustment, but I looked on YouTube anyway. There's like one video on how to do this, but it's really not a very good video. So I thought I'd do a video for people that don't know how to do the seat adjustment on the CFMOTO ZForce. You know, there's just a lot of people out there that aren't mechanically inclined and they just don't know and they would like to learn how to do it. So this video is for those folks. So what you have to do to remove the seat is you have to reach back here, back of your seat, near the bottom of the floor, and there's a tab you pull up. You're going to pull that tab up and just push your seat backward, and it's going to come out of those grooves, or should I say slots. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so right here you have these two parts of the base of your seat that are sticking out. They go in slots in the floor. I'll show you. So right here are the two slots I was talking about. These steel slots that are in the frame of your side-by-side. One here, one here. So all they do is they just fit in here like this and snap into place on this pin here. So this is the tab at the back of the seat I was talking about. You just pull up on that and that pin goes in this slot here. So when you pull that up, your pin is released, or your seat is released from the pin, and then the pin just snaps back in place. Okay, so on the base of the seat, you have 4 bolts right here, and they are number 4 Allen key. So hopefully you have Allen keys. So what you're going to need to do is just loosen these. You have to loosen all 4. And you want to make sure that your Allen key is seated very firmly in the bolt head, because you don't want to strip it. Or round it off, I should say. Now that all the 4 bolts are loosened, you can slide this plastic base either this way or this way to whatever way you want your seat. So my wife wanted more leg room, so I'm gonna move it forward. Just gotta pound on it a little bit. And there, that's as far as it goes. You can adjust it to wherever you want and then tighten all 4 bolts up again. Okay, now we're gonna put our seat back in. Just be careful putting it in. Don't chip any paint. Remember those 2 slots down here? Put the base into the slot and it should just snap into place. And that's it. We'll try it out. Now this is more for her, not for me. I'm the pilot, she's the co-pilot, but yeah, lots of leg room now. I like this. A lot more room. So that's how you do a CFMOTO seat adjustment. It's pretty easy, but no one's done a video on it. I wanted to share it for those people that don't know how to do it. If this helped you, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. And be sure to come back often for other tutorials and repairs and such. But wait, don't go away. You might want to click on these 2 videos right here just to check them out.